Gary, what could cause the extinction of the real estate agent as we know it today?
I think the human being doesn't get eliminated with technology. I do think Amazon and Zillow and like big companies, I think I think people need to be very careful and understand that technology will continue to try to take you out. It's your best friend and your worst enemy. But humans, when they make that big of a purchase, really feel more comfortable doing it with humans. So here's what I would say. I do believe that the big platforms will eliminate over the next decade, which is a long period of time, the bottom 25, 40% of agents. I think that they're just like buying a car instead of going to a dealership. I'll speak for myself. I'm uncomfortably comfortable buying a $10 million home through 3 clicks on a computer. I mean it. I'm not saying that to act cool or be weird or to prove a point. I am uncomfortably comfortable with buying a $10 million home through the computer. And if Zillow wants to set up 5,000 people virtually in call centers and they're in the Philippines so they can just answer my question on like, what's my mortgage again and what's that again? And they can answer it, or an AI bot, machine learning, can just answer what was the school district or what are my taxes? I will do that. And so will a lot of other people. Many more people will not. My father would never do that. And many, many other people, including people younger than me, will not. But what I do think will happen is that the 25 to 30% weakest agents in the game that are getting by will have something to worry about over the next 10 to 15 years.
So Gary,
yes, sir.
If you were on my my rant with everybody, the argument today, it's actually what you're discussing is coming. It's already coming true. The difference is today, it's the smart marketing companies, the Zillows, the realtors, the Quicken Loans, the Mellow Homes, is they figured out the arbitrage game because agents won't brand themselves and won't market themselves. And like my entire argument for everybody listening today was, you need to dig a moat around your castle and protect your brand beyond just putting it on steroids. You need to recognize they're all coming directly for your commission dollars and they're going to earn it every day. And by the way, like,
and when Michael says relationships are hard to disrupt, he's right, but they're going to outflank you for making the relationship digitally before you make it in real life.
Right.
And the scale is the issue.